easy go.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Pear Tree Vlog. Thanks for all the likes and the views I got for my last video. 2021, we coming in big. We're gonna be doing some more things. Last time I had my four-wheeler. You guys haven't seen it in a while, but I got it up and running. Today I got Big Bertha right here, Big Red. It's a Honda Pioneer 700 four-seater. You know, got it for the wife and kids. So we're doing an oil change and a tune-up on it. Going to get that done. Not taking to the shop. I can do it myself. When you can do things yourself, you can make anything. And you don't have to come out the pockets like that, other than for the parts. But anyway, I got some trail riding going on. I got some more shooting videos. But I got some trail riding with some more YouTubers that I'm linked up with. Got some ATV ride outs and things going on. And also too, we got this here that we're going to take the family out on and have a good time. Do some little videos and stuff like that. So once again, like, comment, subscribe. So this is my Honda Pioneer 700. So I got it for, you know, I like riding four-wheelers and things like that. And I wanted to bring my wife and my kids out, you know, do events. You know, a lot of people can't go out there and do this stuff. So, hey, I can. Let me try. But anyway, I bought this right here for my wife and everything. And we could do some trail riding on the weekends and things like that with the kids. But, yeah, I bought it from one guy. Barely got any miles on it. But I need to change the oil in it, and first thing you got to do is remove this seat. So we're going to remove the seat, and we're going to get going. Okay, so simple, almost just like your car. Here's where your oil goes. Here's your dipstick. Your dipstick is right here. This little thing. And then here's my little battery that goes in here. I mean, everything is all nice and neat together here. Take this over here, get to where the spark plugs are at. Yeah, and that's about it. So also here is where your filter goes when you put your new one in for draining your oil. You do that. So the first thing you need to do, get you this oil pan. Slide your oil pan up under. Put on the ATV. Once you slide it up under, there's a little bracket on this side right over here. I gotta see it. Get your ratchet, get a 17mm socket, unloosen the oil pan bolt. It's a long bolt, so you're gonna be turning it for a little bit. You're gonna have a little bit come out as soon as you unscrew it. The bolt is long as hell, so take your time, don't strip it. And you feel like you're twisting for days. All right, now the juice is flowing. So once all the oil flow into the pan, it has a little seal on it. You got to replace that seal each time you do your oil change because it can go bad. So I just put my little seal on. Now we get ready to go up top and unscrew the oil cap so you can get full flow. All right. And now we just sit back and let it drain. So, yep, got that done. Let it flow for a while. Still draining. There's a lot of oil in there. So go back under, put the oil screw back in to the oil pan. Okay, get that screwed in. All right, where my socket at? Oh, there we go. All right, tighten it up. All right, so we got it tightened on up. Get ready to pull this oil pan out. You know, be good with our environment. Re-pour it back into your old oil buckets or whatever you got. Turn your oil, bad oil back into whatever, O'Reilly's or whatever. 17mm screw that you need. Right here, I'm finna unloosen the oil filter. Pan is up under. And this screw right here is a 1/2 inch. Nope. Another 1/2 inch. Okay. Wrong one. Let me try this. Try this 12mm. Alright, 12mm is what it is. Okay. We're going to unscrew that. Alright, so gotta get this screwdriver here and stick it in between. When you get ready to take this filter out, right here is a little metal ring. You must take that out. Okay? Take that out. Set that right there. And you gotta put that on your new filter. Now the filter, both sides basically are the same size, so it really doesn't matter which way you put it in, but make sure you have this ring. Okay? So this is the oil that we're putting in, that amazing Lucas. And then spark plugs we're using are the NGKs. And here's the filter. That's the number if you want to use it. You can use, I know a lot of people like to, I like to use well name brand filters. It's a filter. It doesn't do anything special. I mean, filters are filters. You just be buying name. So oil is different. Spark Plus, different. Filter, some shit that you're gonna throw in the trash can. So now you're gonna take your little metal seal, pull the top off. It has a spring in it. Now we're gonna take this little rubber bushing off right here and put our new one on, which is this. So you might have to get you a pair of needle nose to grab it. Slide it off. Get my new ring. Slide it back on just like that. Slide this back in. Now you're gonna set your bushing right on here like that. And you're gonna slide that in like this. But before we do that, we need to change this one too. So now I got the filter back on. Sorry I missed that here, but this little ring here, there's a little gasket right here that you have to oil it down, and then as you tighten it back up, but make sure you oil it down. Now we got this tightened up. Oil drains through there. I'm gonna get some brake cleaner spray down there to clean it up. And now fill her up. Let it run for a little bit. Check the dipstick. Let it run. Make sure no oil gonna come back through this little where the filter at. I wish they would have actually came out with a damn can like most people doing, but Honda been running this system for a long time. So, but hey, but at least you can reach it though. You got to be careful with this too, because the little holes don't like to be fed fast, so you got to slow it down. Pour it in there slow. So yeah, we're going to run like 3 quarts. Put that 3 quarts in. I'm going to crank it up, let it run for a little bit. Check my dipstick and see where it's at. Alright, so we got 3 quarts in now. Put this top back on. Now you got to start the engine and let it run for a little bit. She purrs like a kitty right there, boy. Yeah. Alright. Putting new spark plugs in, make sure you grease them. Well, we got the spark plugs in. My GoPro died. Recording off my phone now, but we got it in. Starts up. So now all I got to do is pretty much put the plastic back on. Put the little button, match down buttons here. Stick them back in. Put the seats and the plastic back on. And then next time you see this, we're gonna be on the trail. All right, this is the last one. Now, all I gotta do is put the seat back on. We're done. Take it for a little test drive and see what we do. Well, everybody, if you got one of these Honda Pioneers 1000s, this is the 700 4-seater here. Family can ride in the back. I got some more things coming for 2021. I got some Bluetooth speakers I'm gonna hang up here. It's gonna be the how you call it, what they be put on the boats, the marina speakers, so they can be loud and in charge out here. So when I go out to different events, I can drive this, pull this behind the trailer with the RV or whatever, and you're gonna be riding. But that's how you change the spark plugs and oil in one of these. And that's it. Thank you for tuning in for another Pear Tree vlog. Thank you. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below. We got some trail riding coming, and I got some more shooting videos coming pretty soon, so y'all just hit me up on the gram. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Follow me. Thanks.
Pimp shit. My shit up a little bit, my vocals. I hypnotize your eyes and then you recognize that the sparkle of my chrome shoes paralyzed. Getting money like this, people want my vibe. Full of jealousy and pride, hate the way I ride. Sometimes you speak, sometimes you don't. Figure this nigga souped up, cause he cooped up. Guaranteed to rip shit soon as it's looped up. Young nigga slept, swore your girl's panties wasn't wet. I'm a star, double addicted, double R. Never struggled hard to lead a bubble scar. Not the car, it's the man, Daddy Cool, put it down. No comparing me to y'all, niggas are circus clowns. L ain't worth paper. Ask Russell Simmons who put him up in that skyscraper. Ask my dogs up at FUBU who made a major. LL nigga, now who's next to need a favor? Drop a bomb on him. Remain calm on him. Pierce the nipples, throw the LL charms on him. Keep gangsta shit pumping through my system. When my strobe light flash, you can't miss him. Listen. 59th Street Bridge, up a roadway, doing about a buck, pumping mob in the Cadillac truck, don't give a fuck. Chrome tint, gold digging broads getting bent, we can fuck, but you ain't getting 10 out. Stretch your back out, sweat your tracks out. Blow out your weed, you wake up in the morning to a note, nigga had to leave. Be easy, you should've teased me instead of being sleazy. I wouldn't do you greasy. Come across more flaws than gold teeth. I learned you can't eat if you hold beef with niggas underneath. Still I'ma lyrically hold it down. L back in town, case the bell sound for the second round. Some of these old cats is funny. Fuck who's legendary, I'm trying to get this money. Drop a bomb on 'em.